Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about the regex operator, which is used for querying in MongoDB. Now, what is this regex operator? Well, regex operator allow for searching text based on the patterns, which means we will search for certain pattern in the text which is written, and it is work mainly on the string field, right? So what it does that it is useful for the partial matches, case insensitive searches, and the advanced searching inside the string fields, right? So how we use it? Well, for using it there are certain rules which are given. Let me tell you everything one by one. So first we are going to see that we need to take out those document where the names field is starting with the character. I want all the documents where the name field is having names where the first character is, let's say, P, right? So in that particular case, how we can do it? We can use the regex operator in that particular case, right? So how we write it? db.users.find, then put the field name and then use this regex operator and use this caret symbol, right? This caret symbol is used for searching from the beginning of the string, right? So let me just take you the Mongo shell here, right? So let's write here db dot users dot find, right? After find, put the curly bracket to write the query here, and I want for the field name, right? Name here, then again put a curly bracket like this, and then dollar regex, dollar regex, and then a, sorry, not ra, because we are searching for the name starting with the character P, right? So for the starting character, you need to use the caret symbol. Now, what is this caret symbol? You can get it on the top of your keyboard key 6, right? And after that, write that particular character which you want. I want P in the starting. Just close it, put the curly bracket, again a curly bracket, and let's close the parenthesis, press enter, and you can check. I got two different documents, right? And both are having the name as starting with P. So we have successfully found the pattern where the first letter of the name field is having character P, right? Got it? Okay, fine. So let's move to the next part. So I hope you understood that how we use to find patterns from the starting of the field. Now let's deal with the ending part, right? So I want to find the names which is end with the character. So I want all those documents where the name ends with, let's say, A, right? So for the case of A, we use this dollar sign in the end. In the beginning we use the caret symbol at the starting, right, before the character, but in the ending part we use this dollar sign at the end of the character, right? So let me just take that again, and I want all those document where the field ends with A, so put the dollar sign in the end like this, and if I press enter, you can check these two documents I got, and both are having the last character as A, right? So this is how it works. Got it? Now moving forward toward the next part is that when I want to find the names containing a substring anywhere, right? Let's say that there's a ya, right? So I want that ya should exist anywhere, just get it to me, right? Either it is in the starting or end, in the middle, I don't care. I just want those names where which is having this ya. So for that purpose, what you need to do is that you don't need any symbol this time, just write that character ya, right, and press enter. You can check both are having ya. Priya and Riya both are having this ya, right? Great. Now for the in case insensitive cases, right? So let me just take you to the example. Let's say I want here Riya. I want to find for the Riya, right? And if I just press enter, I got Priya here. I got Priya here, but not this data. Let me show you. Not this one, not this Riya. Only this Priya. Why? Because what I have written here is all small letters. And this Riya is having the first character as capital, right? That's why I have not got it, because it don't match with it. but I want to get that particular document also. By writing just Priya, I want the Priya and Riya both in my list. Then how it can be possible? It can be possible by using this insensitive search, right? Where we need to put this dollar options I, right? Now let me just show you that how it works. So for that purpose, we need to write again db.users dot find, put the bracket like this, then a curly bracket. Now inside of it, write the name, right? Name, put the curly bracket. After that, dollar regex, since we are working with this name field, right? So dollar regex on it, and on it I'm saying that take out Ria, right? But we have seen that I was not getting that Ria name. I was getting Priya only. So for that purpose, I'm going to use the case insensitive. So for that, dollar options, right, and put it I like this. Close the bracket, go downward, again close the bracket, and if you press enter, you can check. This time I got the Ria also. Why? Because I made it case insensitive, right? Case insensitive. So this time it is taking out both the document and checking both the names, because it is not searching for whether the letter is capital or the small. It's just finding that whether this particular R is existing or not, right? So this is how it works. So I hope you understood the concept till now. Now this last one is your task, that match names containing any vowel. If you put everything in the square bracket, right, so it will take out all the documents which are either having this A or E or I or O or U, right? So it's your task, try it at your own. And this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.